In this video, I'll be reviewing and demonstrating how to use the Lifestraw Go water bottle. This water bottle is the two-stage filtration version, and it filters out bacteria and protozoa, and it reduces chemicals and bad taste. And it talks about it on the back. It has a hollow fiber membrane, which is stage 1, that removes 99.9% of bacteria, E. coli, etc. It removes also 99.9% of protozoa, and it filters 4,000 liters or 1,000 gallons in one filter. The stage 2 is an activated carbon capsule. It reduces chlorine, reduces bad odor and taste, reduces organic chemical matter, and filters 100 liters or 26.4 gallons of water. So you'll have to replace that more frequently. This is a cool water bottle that you can use to drink creek water, lake water, if you're going camping, hiking, etc. So let's test this thing out and see how good the water is. So this is a pretty blue water bottle with a carabiner clip, and it has a loop too. It's activated by it comes up through a straw, and it has an unscrewable lid. And there you can see the fancy filter system. The blue area at the top is the second stage, I think, the carbon capsule. And this is the stage 1, and that's the other filtration system that uses hollow fiber membrane. So to start, we need to fill this bottle with this dirty water. Preferably running water is safer, but and then you need to put the filter in the bottle and let it sit there for a little bit so it's primed. To find out all of this information, it comes with a manual, and they say, prior to the first use of this water bottle, remove the carbon capsule from the filter and place it under clean, flowing water. And then rinse the cap and the rest of the filter, which I did earlier. And then, upon first use or anytime the filter is dry, fill bottle with water and screw the lid back on and allow it to prime the filter by letting it sit. Then take a few quick sips to get the water flowing. Lifestraw will no longer filter water when the product has reached the end of its working life, and you'll know that by the inability to suck water up through the straw. After each use, blow air through the filter to keep it clean and prevent clogging. Before storing, unscrew lid, rinse with safe water, and let dry before screwing lid back on and putting it away in storage. Remove the filter before placing bottle in dishwasher for cleaning. So let's try this thing out now. A few short, quick sips to get the water flowing. I must say the water tastes a little interesting. But not too bad. You know, there's a little fear. I hope this is filtering my water good, but it is. This is Lifestraw. They've been known for water filters, and this uses two-stage filtration. You can get ones that do one stage. They're probably cheaper, but go for two-stage. Honestly, the water isn't too bad. It was a little different at first, but you go to anybody's house and their water tastes different, so this is fine. highly recommend this product, especially since the coronavirus is spreading crazy, and you never know if water will stop coming to your house for whatever reason. Like if there was a problem and they couldn't get workers to fix it. So you want to make sure you have good water, or having one of these is nice because you can go to your creek or lake or stream, whatever you have, and filter your water. Although this doesn't filter salt out, so don't go to the ocean. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.